Ever wondered why your 500 Mbps internet feels slower than expected? It is a common tech headache that leaves many users feeling totally confused. Hi everyone, I am Jin. Let's clear the confusion. The secret lies in understanding the difference between a bit and a byte. First, the basics. A lowercase b stands for a bit, while an uppercase B represents a byte. There are 8 bits in every single byte. Internet service providers measure speed in bits per second, but your computer usually shows file sizes in bytes. That is why the numbers don't match. To convert down, you multiply by 1000. To move up the chain, you divide. It sounds simple, but the math can get tricky very quickly. For example, to turn Mbps into MB per second, you divide by 8. So, 100 Mbps is actually 12.5 megabytes per second. Going from Gbps to Mbps? Just multiply by 1000. That means a 2.5 gigabit connection gives you 2,500 megabits. This applies to everything, from massive terabit data transfers in servers to the tiny kilobit packets used in older communication systems. Understanding these conversions is vital for setting up your home network, choosing cloud storage plans, or just knowing what you are paying for. But let's be honest, calculating these manually is a real headache. That is why I recommend the SarkariTools Data Transfer Speed Converter. You just enter your value, select your unit, and get instant results for all other metrics. It is fast, free, and incredibly reliable. Stop guessing and start converting like a pro. Check out the tool at the link below and make your tech life easier today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Visit SarkariTools at the link in the description for all your conversion needs.